Boston is one of the most historic and culturally significant cities in the United States. Its geography plays a crucial role in shaping its character and development. Boston is located in the northeastern part of the country, in the state of Massachusetts. It is situated along the eastern coast of the United States, on the shores of the Atlantic Ocean. Specifically, the city lies on the Massachusetts Bay, a large body of water that is an extension of the Atlantic Ocean. Boston is one of the oldest cities in the United States, and its geography has played a vital role in its establishment as an important port and cultural center throughout American history. The city is known for its distinctive location on a narrow peninsula that stretches out into the harbor. The peninsula is surrounded by water on three sides, which gave Boston a strategic advantage in trade and defense. During colonial times, this geography also shaped the city's early settlement patterns, as the colonists recognized the natural harbor and the proximity to vital resources such as timber and fresh water. Boston is part of Suffolk County and is the economic and cultural hub of the greater Boston area, which includes several surrounding cities and towns. The region is characterized by a mix of urban development and natural landscapes, including parks, rivers, and coastal areas. The city's downtown area is centered on the Boston Common, a large public park that dates back to the 17th century. Boston is located at a latitude of approximately 42.3601 degrees north and a longitude of 71.0589 degrees west. The city's elevation is relatively low, with the highest point being only about 52 feet above sea level, due to its location on the Atlantic coast. Boston experiences a humid continental climate. With cold winters and warm summers, the city's weather can be highly variable with sudden shifts in temperature and weather conditions due to its proximity to the ocean. The coastal location of Boston moderates its temperatures, somewhat meaning that the winters are not as cold as those further inland, but still experience significant snowfall. The summer months are warm, but rarely hot due to the cooling effect of the ocean.
This creates a pleasant climate for much of the year, but also brings with it the potential for unpredictable weather such as winter storms and summer thunderstorms. The geography of Boston has influenced the development of its infrastructure and urban landscape. The city is known for its winding, narrow streets, many of which follow the contours of the original colonial road system. The city's layout can be challenging for drivers, but adds to the charm and historic feel of the area. This unique layout also reflects the city's history as a port settlement where navigation along the coastline played a major role in determining the locations of roads and buildings. Much of Boston's early growth occurred along the waterfront as the city developed into a major seaport and trade center in the 19th century. However, much of the coastline has been altered over the years with landfills and construction projects creating new areas for expansion. One of the most notable examples of land reclamation in Boston is the construction of the Seaport district, which transformed what was once tidal flats and salt marshes into a thriving commercial and residential neighborhood. Today, this area is home to some of the city's most modern buildings and is one of Boston's fastest-growing neighborhoods. Boston is divided into several distinct neighborhoods, each with its own character and geography. The Back Bay neighborhood is one of the most famous for its wide tree-lined streets and Victorian-era brownstones. It is also home to some of the city's most iconic landmarks such as the Prudential Tower and the Boston Public Library. The North End is another notable neighborhood known for its Italian heritage and historic buildings, including the Old North Church, one of the oldest churches in the United States. Other neighborhoods such as the South End and Fenway also contribute to Boston's diverse urban landscape with their own mix of residential and commercial properties. The city is also known for its parks and green spaces. The Boston Common is the oldest public park in the United States and is the centerpiece of the city's park system. It is located in the heart of downtown Boston and is a popular spot for both locals and tourists. The park is also home to several monuments and statues as well as a large pond. The public garden located adjacent to the Boston Common is another popular green space and features a large pond with swan boats and beautifully landscaped gardens. Boston is also home to the Charles River, which runs along the city's western edge. The river is an important geographical feature that has had a significant impact on the city's development. The Charles River forms part of the boundary between Boston and the neighboring city of Cambridge and is a focal point for recreational activities such as rowing, jogging, and biking. The river also plays an important role in the city's ecosystem, providing a natural habitat for a variety of wildlife, including birds and fish. The river has been the site of many important events throughout the city's history, including the Boston Tea Party, which took place along its shores in 1773. The geography of Boston is also marked by its surrounding natural areas such as the Blue Hills to the south of the city. These hills are part of the Blue Hills Reservation, a large state park that offers hiking trails and scenic views of the city and its surroundings. The Boston Harbor Islands are another notable natural feature of the city. This group of islands is located in the Boston Harbor and provides a variety of outdoor activities such as hiking, picnicking, and boating. Some of the islands are accessible by ferry and offer a quiet retreat from the bustle of the city. The region surrounding Boston is also rich in natural beauty with forests, marshlands, and coastal areas, providing a variety of outdoor recreational opportunities. To the north of the city is the Merrimack River, and to the south is the Plymouth area, known for its historic landmarks such as Plymouth Rock, where the Pilgrims landed in 1620. Beyond Boston, the region is home to several smaller towns and cities that are part of the greater Boston area. These communities contribute to the overall geographic landscape of the region and provide additional cultural and historical significance. Boston's location on the Atlantic Ocean has also played an important role in its economy and trade throughout history. The city became one of the busiest ports in the United States during the 19th century and was a key hub for the shipping of goods such as tea, spices, rum, and textiles. The waterfront area of Boston has long been associated with the city's maritime history, and its waterfront continues to play an important role in the economy today, with the Port of Boston handling cargo shipments and cruise ships. The city's economy is diverse, and includes industries such as healthcare, education, technology, and finance. These industries have contributed to the city's modern growth and development. Boston is home to many world-class institutions such as Harvard University and the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, which are located in nearby Cambridge. These universities have helped to establish Boston as a global leader in education and research and have contributed to the city's cultural and economic vibrancy. Boston's geography has also shaped its cultural development. The city is known for its rich history in the arts, with many theaters, galleries, and museums. The Museum of Fine Arts is one of the most well-known cultural institutions in Boston and houses an extensive collection of art from around the world. The Boston Symphony Orchestra is another renowned institution that has made the city a center for music and the performing arts. The city's location and geography have also played an important role in its political and social development as the site of many pivotal events in American history, such as the Boston Massacre, the Boston Tea Party, and the American Revolution. These events have helped to shape the city's identity and its significance in the broader American historical narrative. Overall, the geography of Boston has played a crucial role in the city's development as a major cultural, economic, and historical center. Its location along the Atlantic Ocean, its distinctive urban layout, and its surrounding natural landscapes all contribute to the unique character of the city today. Boston is a dynamic and diverse city that continues to thrive and evolve while maintaining a strong connection to its past. The city's geography will likely continue to shape its future as it grows and adapts to the challenges and opportunities of the 21st century. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe the channel to view more informative videos.